Today I'm going to be making a healthy version of Cool Whip, Ready Whip, whatever whipped cream you want to call it. But this one is dairy-free, super easy to make, very quick. But I also want to serve some granola with it. And if you want to do some granola on the fly, this is how to do it, and it is delicious. Because I always forget. Okay, we're just going to set this to the side and let that cool while we get to the whipped cream. The star of the show for sure. Now it's time to make the whipped cream. My bowl is cold, and so I'm getting my milk out of the refrigerator. I put it in there overnight. Okay, let's get the lid off of there. I had to move over to the side because my cord isn't long enough. My plug is on this side. Should have just got an extension cord. It's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this in the bowl. Start whipping that up. As you see it start to thicken, that's when I go ahead and add my sweetener. I am using honey crystals. This is one of my favorites, and it's just freeze-dried honey. And I do make it powdered. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. I make it powdered so that it doesn't have a grainy texture. Sprinkle that. I'm going to go ahead and add my vanilla. 1 teaspoon. To me, the cap looks like a teaspoon. I'm just going with it. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for a few minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and cut up our fruit. Disclaimer, I hope that you have enjoyed the video. I have loved this recipe so much, but to be honest, every time that I have made it, it has turned out a little different, and it doesn't seem to matter even if I use the same brand. So I do want to tell you, if you make it and it doesn't turn out perfect, it's still valuable because it is still delicious. You can put it over your fruit and use it in so many different ways. Native Forest and Harvest Farms have been my 2 favorite brands, but I have tried many brands. Making sure that your bowl is cold, storing it in the freezer for at least 30 to 45 minutes before you get started helps. something about a glass bowl, or maybe it's just me, seems like a glass bowl works even better. And make sure that your coconut milk is very cold before you pop that can. That's all the advice that I have for you, and I hope that you enjoy this recipe, and please give me your feedback. Let me know how it worked for you. And just remember, even if it doesn't turn out super thick, it's still delicious, and there's so many different things that you can do with it. You guys have a great day. Show a little love, like and subscribe for more. More coming your way. You could also sing a happy song while you're doing this for entertainment. I love you, a bushel and a peck, a bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck, a hug around